Good evening, ABR Market Watch viewers. Let's take a quick look at today's market wrap. The Indian benchmark indices, the Sensex and Nifty, surged ahead by 0.7% and 0.8% respectively, fueled by optimism from better-than-expected economic growth. A sigh of relief as the Indian rupee recovered from its record low against the US dollar, likely due to central bank intervention late in the session. However, yields on the 10-year government bond rose by nearly 2 bps, indicating a steady but upward trajectory with rising yields and interest rates. Monday saw India's equity benchmarks rebound after 3 consecutive losses, with the Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex gaining by 0.81% and 0.70% respectively. Auto stocks led the surge, boosted by higher monthly sales, while the broader consumption-driven stocks surged ahead of a GST Council meeting later this week. The festive season, good monsoon, and anticipation of GST rationalization have increased investor sentiment on the consumption theme. The US court ruling that most of President Trump's tariffs were illegal added to the optimism, although these tariffs remain in effect until 14th October. The positivity stems from India's improving GDP data, potential GST rationalization, and anticipation of a Federal Reserve rate cut in September due to inline US personal consumption expenditures data. Analysts at CLSA expect a total of 75 basis points of cuts over the next 1.5 years, which could potentially boost valuation multiples of Indian IT firms by 10 to 15%, given their significant revenue share from the world's largest economy. In conclusion, Indian markets closed positively today, amid resilience in the face of positive growth data. However, bonds and swaps indicate higher yields due to supply worries, a trend we'll be watching closely. Remember, ABR Market Watch viewers, these are dynamic markets and trends can change swiftly, so always keep your investing strategies flexible. Stay tuned for more updates.